And here we go. What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul, and you're watching The Deal Finder. Today's video, an exciting one. Friday, April 11th, we have Costco Clearance Fridays. Let's take a walk around. Let's see what we can find. And remember, friends, do not forget to enter the giveaway. And starting the video off, it does seem like we did bump into a return pallet. Now, what I mean by return pallet, usually Costco does this. They'll find an area in the store. They'll put a bunch of different returns, unopened returns, and here we have it. This is exactly what it looks like. We have the Delta Children bookcase right in front of us, the dinosaur version. Now check out that price, down from clearance from $49 down to $29.99. What a steal. And then to my left, we have the stackable planters from Multi. We have a 5-tier stackable planter that does have a 27 quart capacity. Now, obviously, not every warehouse is going to have these deals right in front of you, but I do provide the item number in the bottom right-hand corner. Grab that item number. You can call Costco to see if you have any left in stock. Now, a lot of these products may not even hit clearance. That's why it's a great idea to make sure you watch my discontinued deals. Like, for example, this KitchenAid set here. When it was marked discontinued, Costco applied a discount and it sold out before it even hit clearance. That's why you need to watch my videos. It's now $7.99 and most likely this was a new return. And from Smart Design, we have the Acacia sofa arm tray. Now, I did buy this for myself. The price is right at $12, except I wasn't crazy about it. I did end up returning it the next day, but mainly because I was worried that my son was going to get hurt. Those little arms grab the side of the sofa, and when you lift the tray off the couch, they snap back into place, and I was worried he was going to take it off the couch and snap his little fingers. But for $12, a very nice price. If you own one and you love it, leave a comment below. And I do know there's been a lot of buzz going around lately about plastic cutting boards. Now people are consuming plastic because they're cutting too deep into the boards. Now from Henkel's, we have their 3-piece cutting board, only $5 on clearance. What an amazing price. Now me personally, I don't use plastic cutting boards, I use wood. But for this price, of course I bought it. Why not? You don't always have to cut into the board. You can make cutlets, you cut sideways. Now if you do cut into the board and you have a plastic board, as soon as you touch that plastic, as soon as you feel it, just tap it and lift your knife up. Just tap it in. Be a little bit gentle. So right in front of us from Cuisinart, we have the tri-ply clad stainless steel set, a 5-piece set, 3 pans, 2 lids, $39.99. Now, obviously, not every warehouse is going to have these deals. They're going to be different at every warehouse. Now, you may have the Henkel's cutting board, but it still may be $9.97. You still may have the bookcase at your local warehouse, the dinosaur one from Delta, but it may be $50. Now, prices will vary depending upon inventory at your local warehouse. That's why I do provide the item number in the bottom right-hand corner, just in case you want to call Costco or look it up on the app. Now, the closer we get to the end of the month, the more clearance we're going to start seeing on outdoor furniture. Right in front of us from Sun Villa, we have their Fairchild. This is their 5-piece outdoor patio seating set. You get 2 swivel rocking chairs, 1 sofa, the nesting tables, and don't mind that random price sign in the middle. I don't know what it's doing there, but that's a Hisense TV. But anyways, the frame is aluminum, which is great because that means it's lightweight. The cushions are made out of Sunbrella fabric. Awesome. Check out that price, $1,499.97. I would wait till it drops a little bit more, maybe $1,000. That is a buy. And now in the number 9 spot, we do have the Disney Spring Village, their 13-piece set already on clearance. Check out this price drop, pretty incredible. Now it does play joyful music, spring music of course. It illuminates, has a timer function, 6 hours on, 18 hours off, obviously for indoor use only, but check out that clearance price, pretty amazing, that nice drop. I do like it. I almost consider buying it at this price point. I wonder if it's going to come down a little bit more, $29.97. And if it's sold out at your local warehouse, it's available at Costco online for $49.97. Let's talk about the MacBook Airs on clearance in front of us. We have the 15-inch, 8 gigs of RAM with a 512 gig solid-state hard drive. Check out that price, $899.97. If you're looking for something a little bit smaller, let's move down to the right. We have the MacBook Air 13-inch available. Now, this does have 16 gigs of RAM with a 256 gig solid-state hard drive for $849.97. We also have the iPads available on clearance. So much clearance here at the warehouse. Come down, take a look, and look for those magic 97s. Right in front of us, we do have the new iPad. Well, it's not the new iPad. We have the iPad available, the 10th generation, 256 gig, $349.97. Awesome price. So we do have a good amount of clearance at Costco.com that I do want to go over. So for tomorrow's video, I have some discontinued deals I do want to share. So I may combine them both, put it all into one video for you. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow. Hopefully I can get it up and going. Now right in front of us, we have a great amount of deal of watches also on clearance. A majority of these are also available at Costco.com, but I don't want to spoil it. We have this beautiful Versace watch for the ladies for $299.97. We have a nice pendant, and we have some earrings as well, $279.97, $249.97. Look for those magic 97 numbers when you're walking through the jewelry case. And now from Microsoft, we have the Surface Pro. This is our 13-inch laptop here, 2880 by 1920. It's touchscreen, got that Snapdragon X Plus. It's Windows 11 preloaded, 60 gigs of RAM with a nice 1 terabyte solid-state hard drive. Very nice. Now we do have a couple of different color options. Now we're here at the warehouse. You can pick it up for $1,399.97, but definitely wait till it really drops on clearance. More like $1,000. That's a good buy. To my right, we have a nice Lenovo laptop. Let's discuss that because this one does look pretty nice as well. And now from Lenovo, we have their 14-inch laptop. It's a 2-in-1. It's a touchscreen laptop with 16 gigs of RAM, a 1 terabyte hard drive, has that Windows 11. Same thing with the Copilot. Pretty nice laptop, 1920 by 1080, full HD here. Check out that price, a $200 drop for $649.99. Pretty awesome. A battery backup with a surge protector from CyberPower. Pretty nice device to own, especially if you work from home and you do have important stuff to do, or maybe you like to game and you don't want any interruptions if you lose power. This is a great thing to pick up. It prevents data loss, protects your electronics, keeps the Wi-Fi and communication up and running, up to 439 minutes of runtime. That's over 7 hours, $99.97. We also have the Zebra pens available, the journal set for $19.97. Not too many left, and we still have some Post-its available for $9.97. If you are enjoying today's video so far, friends, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to enter our giveaway. All the information will be available on my last Amazon video. And if you're not in the mood to watch my last Amazon video, that's fine, because this Sunday I am coming out with a new Amazon video, so you can watch it then. And right in front of us from Flame Pro, back again on clearance, we do have their tabletop patio heater. Now this does come with an adapter hose, 10,000 BTUs, pretty impressive, with a 52-inch heat radius, which is pretty great. Now it does have a nice maximum burn time of 83 hours. When you use a 20-pound propane tank, you can pick it up here on clearance for $39.97. And now from Flame Pro, we have their 81-inch steel patio pellet heater. Now it does have a lot of bad reviews online, so here are a few of them. The glass, when it gets delivered, it's broken. Even if you buy it at the warehouse, you bring it home, you open it up, it's broken. Is it a big deal? Of course, because who wants to lug this thing all the way back to their house, open it up, and then it's broken? So make sure you check it in the parking lot before you leave. Also, number 2, the heat output is no bueno. A lot of people don't like it. Number 3, the pellet hopper, it's a pain. And number 4, what was the number 4 one? A lot of corrosion. But if you can get past those things and it does come down in price even more, maybe it's a buy. And next up, this time from Fight, we have some nice floodlights available. Check out this price. It comes in a 6-pack. These are 65-watt LED floodlights, and they do look pretty nice at this price point, only $9.97. And let me just quickly turn around and show you those mechanic gloves once again. Grab these while they last. They're pretty much almost all gone at my local warehouse. Even if you don't want to cough up the money, $10 for a 2-pack of these winter gloves. What a great price. Grab them if you have them at your local warehouse. And we do have my favorite deal for today's video. We have the gym floor mats on clearance. Now, me personally, I'm going to put this in my downstairs movie room, have the floor all nice and matted so my little one can jump around. Now, check out that price, $19.97. Pretty awesome. It does cover up to 24 square feet, and it is two-sided. It's reversible. The colors may look pretty similar, but they're two different colors, more like a black and a dark gray, or more like a dark gray and kind of a light gray. Let me put them side by side. Maybe you can tell the two different colors. And there you go. One's darker than the other. They're pretty much both a gray, I would say. One's darker. $19.97, a great price. I'm definitely going to grab myself a few of those. So I did grab 7 for myself. I didn't want to take the chance because there wasn't too many left. And when it does get busy here on the weekends, do not underestimate it. Costco gets so busy during the weekends. It's busy. So whatever you think in your head, multiply that by 20 or 50 because that's how busy it is. This stuff sells. Trust me. Sometimes I see something I like and I'm like, oh, I'll just wait till next week because I come here pretty much Monday through Friday. And when I get here Monday morning, everything is gone. So don't underestimate the weekends. If you see something you like and there's not too much inventory left and you're debating whether to buy it, just buy it. If you need to return it, return it. If you need to price adjust it, get it price adjusted. Here we have the baby stroller or the stroller on sale from Graco, the Ready to Jet, $99.97. And directly behind me, just a friendly reminder, we have the Permastill Power Tool Organizer. Now it does have a 2-layer rack. It's heavy duty, has 6 drill holders, and check out that price, $24.97. It's okay. I want it to come down even more. Look how much inventory is left. Wait till that drops down to $10. Then it's a buy. Right across from us, don't forget about the Caterpillar Jump Pack for $100. Wait on this product too. They already have the new version up at my warehouse to the left. Who's going to buy this for the same exact price? Wait till that drops in price. And then to my left, we have the Caterpillar ratchet straps. Now these are going to drop in price even more. So I'll wait on these 3 items as well. But this is a great buy too. The Caterpillar ratchet straps. Don't be shy to buy these at $19.97. Still a great buy. They're 1.5 inches wide by 16 feet in length. If you own a truck or if you have a loved one who owns a truck, this is a great gift for them if you do want to spend a little bit of money. $19.97. And we also have a nice price drop on the Campbell air compressor. It's portable, it's quiet. Why? It's only at 65 decibel, and it does have an oil-free compressor, which means it's maintenance-free, which is pretty great. Now check out this price drop from $99.97 all the way down to $69.97. I do believe the original price was $139.99. This is definitely a great buy now. I would definitely pick it up. If you don't have an air compressor at your home and you do like to have tools in your household, this is a great buy at $69.97. Maybe you want to wait till it drops even further. I don't know. Roll that dice. Let me know in the comment section. And perfect for those Friday nights, we have the Organic Stone Baked Pizza Kit. Now this kit does have pretty clean ingredients. I did go over them. It does have organic canola oil, but that's pretty much it. That's pretty bad in my opinion. Not too bad at all. So you get 4 pizzas here. It's organic. It's a pizza starter kit. So you do get the tomato sauce included. Nice little kit here for $4.97. I believe it goes for about $20 on Amazon for the 4-pack, if I'm not correct. So it is a good buy for $4.97. Why not for a 4-pack? And we still have plenty of inventory left of the Dash Ultimate Deluxe Egg Cooker. Now it does come with egg bite trays, but check out that price, $14.97, not bad at all. And it does have some pretty decent reviews. The only problem is nobody's buying it. So I'll definitely wait till it drops down to maybe $5. And it will, because look how many's left of this inventory. So much left, people are just not buying it. And let's not forget about the Kohler Pro Function Kitchen Sink Kit. Now you can pick it up in stainless steel here at Costco or online. They have 2 options, the stainless steel and they have the matte black, but the matte black is double the price, so keep that in mind. This is a nice kit. You get the sink, you get the faucet, you get a nice silicone mat, you do get a knife holder, and you get a drying rack, all included in the price. Just the faucet goes for more than that. This is a steal at $199.97. Very nice price. Maybe you want to wait till it drops a little bit more and then pick it up. But at this price point, it's still a steal. Another awesome price, we have the Coda utility cart. Now this does have a shelf pull-out tray, which is pretty awesome. 3 shelves in the pull-out tray, and it does have a 500-pound weight capacity, but you do have to distribute that evenly. Now, even though I did do a poor job of showing the item on display, I am going to put a picture up. That way you can get a better idea of what the cart actually looks like. Now, it does have 4-inch casters at the bottom. It has brakes as well. You even get a nice pegboard, which is included. That does come with J-hooks, a nice, beautiful wood top there. Actually, this picture's not bad. So here it is on clearance. You can pick it up here at Costco for $49.97. What a great price. And now we finally have the Magic Mouse, this time from Scosche. What a great deal as well. Now the reviews on this, I don't know. You're either a Magic Mouse fan or not. So here it is. Has Qi certified charging. It's MagSafe compatible. It does give you 15 watts of power. Now you can attach this to your window. You can attach it to your dash. And it does do a pretty good job of attaching. So here it is on clearance for $29.97. That's pretty much like 50% off compared to everywhere else. Not a bad deal at all. And for those of you who are still watching, I want to thank you for your support. I very much appreciate it. Also, I want to apologize. I did add a few repeat items. I try not to show repeat items, but I am trying to make the video entertaining as well. Everything was filmed today, I will say that, but a couple of these items have been available for the past month. They're just not selling. Like these power cubes, these have been available on clearance for the past month or so at Costco. $19.97, has 3 AC outlets, USB-C outlets. It comes in a 2-pack for $19.97. Also, the Power Max, I do want to buy this, but it's selling very slowly. It's still selling at this price point. I may pick it up next week before it does sell out. This is a great buy as well. So if you need extra power and you need a power bank, this is a great device to pick up. It does do a good job, has pretty good reviews, and it's also, the price is pretty decent as well. So maybe you don't want to miss out on this deal. $29.97. All right, friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel because we are new and I do need all the support I can get. Also, if you have Instagram, follow me at Watch the Deal Finder. Why not? Don't forget to enter the giveaway. It's completely free. We're giving away a NutriBullet Ultra Deluxe Single Serve Blender. That's a great value. Tomorrow, we are going to do a discontinued deal for Costco along with Costco online clearance. I'm going to combine the two, make a little mashup. So hopefully you will enjoy that video as well. A lot of great deals at Costco online, so don't miss out on that video. And enter the giveaway. Just watch my last Amazon video for all the details. If you don't have time to watch my last Amazon video, I am going to post a new Amazon video this Sunday, so stay tuned for that. And thank you, everyone. Thank you for your support. We're getting pretty close to 50 subscribers, so I am pretty pumped up about that. Have a nice weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.